Hello everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 BMW X7 X-Drive 40i. This is the facelifted model, and it has a 3-liter inline 6 with 375 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque. This is not the M Sport, this is just like a regular. One thing which I hate right off the bat is the iDrive 8, in which you can't have climate controls down here. It's very frustrating. Like, I've just spent 2 minutes in the car just trying to get everything to the configuration I wanted because it was freezing in here. I have to go to 2 menus, and then this is pretty convoluted. I don't like that. I have an M3. I have a 2021 G80 with iDrive 7, which I'm very grateful for because I've seen iDrive 8 in the new M3 and I hate it. I mean, the screen, first of all, it looks cool and everything, but I don't like how you have to overcomplicate simple stuff like AC. But moving on. Seats are extremely comfortable. I like how it says X7 on the trim there. It says wood trim. The headrest is super plush. I like that trim. I mean, I like the cross-stitch pattern on these. The gear shifter is a little weird. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to put it in sport mode. Yeah, the seats feels like a couch. It's amazing. You have a Harman Kardon sound system, panoramic sunroof, and then you have a wireless charging tray down there. Well, actually, this one may not have. Oh, it does have it. Never mind. Head-up display has a cool graphic to it. But yeah, like I've always been a huge BMW guy. BMW is probably my favorite automotive brand. And I love my M3. I like all BMWs, to be honest, even though some things bother me. BMW is an awesome brand. This ride, extremely comfortable. What you expect from an X7. This is a 85,000 SUV, $1,000 SUV, probably 90, right? Even this is not even a M model. It's pretty quick. Like, what I like about BMW is you don't even have to get like a performance model, and the pickup is amazing. All of them have a ZF8 transmission, which is fantastic. BMW is one of the best transmissions in the auto industry. Seamless pickup. Ride height is amazing. Steering wheel feels great. I can't get over that headrest. It feels like a pillow. And these are very distinctive cars. Like, you see an X7 in your rearview mirror, you know it's an X7. You don't think it's an X5. You don't ever think, what kind of car is that? You know it's an X7, which is BMW has very distinctive design, and you definitely have a lot of road presence. And the thing with the big grills, a lot of people may complain about the big grill, but it grew on everyone, right? It gives the car some character, and it makes the car stand out, and definitely gives it a distinctive vibe. You know it's a Beamer. I don't like the split headlight design, which I prefer the pre-LCI look on the X7 and the 7 Series, because I don't think the split headlight looks that great, because they went away with the cool DRLs, like the angel eye look. Even on like the new M4 and M3, like the facelift, they got rid of laser lights, which sucks. I love the lasers on my car. This thing's pretty darn quick. This is my first time driving the facelifted X7. The interior, I really like this interior, man. It's amazing. definitely feels like an $85,000 SUV. There's no doubt about that. Good brakes, as expected. Let's go for a quick walk around as always before concluding this video. Use your backup camera with the 360 camera. It's Alpine white, classic BMW color. Running boards. X-Drive 40i badge. And then here are the new tail lights on the LCI. Looks pretty good. Nice controls over there. These seats recline and move back, which is really cool. I like that. Rear legroom's pretty good as well. Yeah, it's quite a nice car. Now let's get a quick look at the trunk. You can use this as a bench. It's pretty cool. Tailgate in the back of this thing. You also have a suspension button, so you can lower the suspension if you wanted to do that. Material quality is obviously amazing, as you expect from a high-end Beamer. Let's just look through the iDrive real quick. So yeah, great graphics, of course. See all your apps over there. You can raise and lower the suspension with that as well. Interesting that you have YouTube there. I didn't know you had that. I guess when the vehicle's parked, you can watch YouTube on your X7. But yeah, as I was saying, the biggest demerit of iDrive 8 is this. I hate how there are no climate control buttons. Why overcomplicate something like that? But other than that, I'm very biased towards BMWs. I love BMW, always have, always will. I love this X7. I mean, of course, every car is going to have its flaws. It is what it is. But I mean, most cars these days are going to the screen thing where everything's on the screen. It's just the future of cars. What can you do? But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.